Vegetable Garden, an amazing story. In a small village, Ria loved sweets and avoided vegetables. One day, she fell ill, feeling weak and tired. The doctor visited and said, "Ria, your body needs vitamins and minerals from vegetables to stay strong." Curious, Ria began helping her grandfather in his vegetable garden. She learned how carrots, spinach, and beans grew. Gradually, she added them to her meals. Her energy returned, and she felt healthier than ever. Ria shared her story with her friends, inspiring them to eat vegetables too. Moral: healthy habits, like eating vegetables, nourish the body and keep illness at bay. Thank you for watching.